In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an Akicon bathroom fan. Before you begin, read the installation instructions and familiarize yourself with the bathroom fan parts and installation specs. There should be a space proper for installation in your soffit or attic. Starting next to the joist, trace an outline for the housing. Use a drywall saw to cut the size. Install the bracket, and connect the brackets to the joists. If the distance between your joists is 20 or 24 inches. Please follow the video and use brackets E and F to install. Adjust the brackets and screw them into the joists, then using the screws the brackets on the housing. Attach the duct and apply HVAC tape over the connection. Connect the house wires to the fan wires. Next, place the insulation over and around the fan. Open the plastic cover lens and install the LED bulb. Plug in the light connection and install the plastic cover. Turn on the switch and check the functions of the product to see if it's working properly. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing an Akicon bathroom fan is fast and easy with Akicon. Akicon for your life.